let's record, let's try. I need to close my WhatsApp first. Yeah, and I need to close this. I've been listening to Ardito, and yeah, here I am on Twitch, right? It's like it's buffering, no? I think so. So I think I will continue to. I mean, like, it's my first try to do some live session in Twitch, but I will upload the recorded on YouTube. So let's continue my sequel bolt journey, and I will do some one Pomodoro, I think. Yeps. So I will set up the forest to study. Yay. So here we go. 25 minutes of sequel bolt. It's been a while since the last live session. So here I am. SQL lesson 9, queries with expression. In addition to querying and referencing row column data with SQL, you can also use expressions to write more complex logic on column values in a query. This expression can use mathematical and string function along with arithmetic. Okay, where I each database has its own the use I hiccup. The use of expression can save time and extra post-processing of the result data, but can also make it very harder to read. So we recommend that when expressions are used in select part of query, that they are also given a descriptive alias. Yeah. See, so I call them as better column name. Okay. Okay. Oh my god, my internet's so bad right now. Should I cancel this? Let's reload the page. It's been a while since it's been a while since the last live sessions. It's because I got a new job. Yay. I think on my previous live session I explained myself, introduced myself as a fresh graduate who are not working, who are not employed anywhere. But as per as of 2 August 2021, I started to work again as a data specialist at some information technology consulting. Yeah, it's been fun. It's already around 2 weeks, and I love it. I love the job, even though I'm not really have that much contribution yet, since I still learning the tech stack. Okay, so it's loaded. I will start do this. List all movies and their combined sales in millions of dollars. And it's been a while since I'm practicing using SQL language. And let's see, am I still able to do this? List all movies and their combined sales in $1 million, in millions. So I need to list all movies combined sales. Where's the sales, domestic sales, international sales? I see, so I need to title and domestic sales plus international, right? um international I see. I need to from, and also I need to inner join, right? Inner join to box office table. I'll put this B as M so that it can be more readable. B B as in millions, so I need to divide it by 1 million, right? As sales, no, total sales. In millions of dollar, this will be right. List all the movies, so it's all the movies. Toy Story. I see. I need to take it as a unique, distinct. I cannot do this. Group by why? Why? The sum is all the same. Wait a minute. It's from where did I title, so Mr. Incredibles on inner join on what? On d equals to movie ID. Aha, that's it. It's been a while. List all movies and their rating in percent. Rating on this box office table. And their rating, so I need to take this out. Rating from B in percent. In percent, so I need to multiply it by 10, right? Yeah. Okay, next, list all movies that were released on even number years. So take this out. Were released where year can I use modulo? Yeah, I can. I can do that. So let's continue. I kinda nervous. Is there someone watching me? here on Twitch? Of course not. Hey, there's someone following me and I got 9 viewers. Hello guys. Thank you for watching. Sorry for my bad English and also my bad internet connection. I'm not really sure. I think I should be more proper with this, so I will not explain about SQL or anything. I just want to do some live session doing some SQL problem in SQL Bolt. You can use this also. It's totally free. You just have to go to SQL Bolt and there are some interactive tutorial. I've been on the 10th lesson, and if you want to follow me, feel free to do that, and I will do some this kind of live like it is solving SQL or Python problem. So SQL lesson 10, queries with aggregates, part 1. In addition to the simple expressions that we introduced at last lesson, SQL also supports the use of aggregate expressions or functions that allow you to summarize the information about a group of rows of data. Aggregate expression. I see. Count, mean, max, average, sum. Okay, so without a specified grouping, each aggregate function is going to run on the whole set of result rows and return a single value. And like normal expression, giving your aggregate function an alias ensure that the result will be easier to read and process. Naming is a very important and very hard at the same time. Here are some common aggregate functions that we are going to use in our examples. Group it aggregate function, group it by column. I see. In addition to aggregating across all rows, you can instead apply the aggregate function to individual groups of data within that group. This will then create as many results as there are unique groups defined as by group by clause. The group by clause works by grouping rows that have the same value in the column specified. Okay. Exercise for employee table. Also, there is only one table here. Use aggregate function to summarize some high-level metrics about the teams. Go ahead and give it a shot. Bang. Find the longest time that an employee has been at the studio. Longest time that an employee. Find the longest time. Oh, maximum, right? Okay. So I need. Sorry. It's only return the maximum value, right? Here's employee. Yeah, that's it. Okay. Okay, it's not important. For each role, find the average number of years. Average number of years employed by employees in that role. Sorry. Wait. Each roles. So it will be by role, and I need to find the average. average of the years. Um, s- mm, 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 year average. Mm, 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 mm. Sorry, typo. A lot of typo. It's done. Find the total number of employee years. Total number of employee years work in each building. Total sum each building. So group by building. Yeah, it's pretty easy. Okay, next. Um, Lesson 11, queries with aggregates. Part 2. Oh, there's another part where condition having, of course, we really need having. Our queries are getting fairly complex, pretty complex, but we have nearly introduced all the important parts of a select query. One thing that you might have noticed is that if you group by clause is executed after the where clause. Yeah, yep. Which filters the row which are to be grouped. Yep. Yeah. Then how exactly do we filter the grouped rows? I see. Likely SQL allows us to do this by adding additional having clause which is used specifically with the group by clauses and allow us to filter grouped rows from the result set. Okay, having condition. Okay, having group condition. The having clause constraints are written the same way as the where clause constraint and are applied to the grouped rows. Okay, with our example, this might not seem like a particularly useful construct, but if you imagine data with millions of rows with different properties, being able to apply additional constraint is often necessary to quickly make sense of the data. There is this, trivia. I love trivia. If you are not using the group by clause, a simple where clause is sufficient. Okay. Exercise. Can we have where and without using group by? I also write having. That would be stupid. But I want to give it a try. Okay, later. For this exercise, you are going to dive deeper into employee data at the film studio. Think about the different clauses you want to apply for each task. So find the number of artists in the studio without a having clause. Okay. Don't we supposed to use having? Number of artists in the studio. Number of artists. So I need to count this thing distinct. Count. I'm sorry. Distinct name. No. I'm sorry. I forgot what's as the column name. Name, right? Name. The number of artists in the studio without having. So, wait. Where did I go wrong? So in the studio, what studio? I mean, building this and should I do this? No. In the studio, in artist, where job, no column. I forgot role. I see. I forgot. Like, right? Okay, just using this. Yes. Yep, that's it. So find the number of employees of each role in studio. Number of employees of each role in studio. Each role, building and role. Like this, right? Number of employee each role in the studio. What studio? I'm not sure. Studio is 2W, having building equals to 2W. It's wrong. In studio, I'm not sure what is studio. I think I can. Hey, I can donate to $4, but I don't have PayPal. Okay, $2. $2. Each role in studio. I need to do something else. See, skies are blue, red roses. I'm sorry. Find the number of employees in of each role. I think I should. I think I know where it's go wrong. So it should be a role first and then building. So let's try this. Still wrong. Why should I change this as alias number? It's not working. Find the number of employees of each role in the studio. Studio, what is studio? Ah, should I delete this? Still not working. This is the number of employee, right? I count the number of employee of each row. This is the row and this building in the studio. In the studio, what is studio? I forgot. Should I see the solution? No, 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 no. How much time? I still have 20 seconds. Oh my god. I want to finish this before I close my live session. There are some lesson left. I'll find the number of employee. Okay, time's up. But I still want to finish this. So, how to fix this? Artist in the studio. So artist studio is 2 building. Studio is 2W. I'm assuming, even I'm not sure. This is the years of employees. We are not asked about it. So assuming that should I don't have to use Scott? Manager is not an employee, right? I see. So it should be role not equal, I think, and this. What? It's still. Oh, I see. It's still wrong. How can I finish this? So there are no engineer in 2W. There are one manager at 2W area. So I need to take this out, right? Or I need to take this out. Oh, I don't know. Engineer, manager. So I should. Where did I go wrong? think I will see the solution since that they don't even specify what is studio. Uh, what the, what the, what the, what the, what? We are learning about having, don't we? Why? Why? It's not good using count asterisks like this. It's not good. I'm I'm disappointed. But it's okay. Okay, let's continue, and after this I will close this live session and we'll do it again tomorrow. Perhaps find the total number of years of employed by all engineer, total number of years, sum of okay, I forgot the name of the column. Years employed. So we are not using having. Okay, thank you for the lesson. I think I will close today's live. I just want to give it a try. And is there any someone? What? When become famous by followers, primes, and viewers on. Uh, okay, I will not do that. Thank you for the opportunity, for the suggestion, but I will not do that. Who are you? Oame Turu Oame True Nui 15. Thank you for watching me. Hope you enjoy it. And I think it's enough. Been fun. Whoa, I got viewers. Oh, viewer. I got a new follower for Gathers. Thank you for following me. What? There's an error. I see. I think it's because I still streaming, but okay, whatever. I will see it later. Thank you for coming. Cheers, and I will do some PDCA, plan to check act for my live session on Twitch. Thank you again. Thank you. I say thank you a lot right now. Okay. Bye.